Good evening, everyone. It is a privilege to be here today at the annual function of the school, a place that has been shaping young minds with dedication and purpose. Events like these remind us that education is not only about classrooms, not only about examinations and marks, it is also about celebrating talent, creativity, curiosity, and character. As someone who has gone through a long journey of learning myself, I want to tell the students one very simple thing that you should always remember. Your potential is far greater than what you think, and your journey will be defined not by how fast you move, but by how consistently you move in this journey. When I started preparing for civil services, I did not know how things would unfold for me or how it will take me to the future. But I knew one thing, that I have to give my best. I have to give my best attempt every single day. So I had no special formula, no shortcuts, no extraordinary background. I had come from a very small town, nothing very special about my background. But what I had was the discipline, clarity, and faith in myself that despite whatever happens, if we try, we can achieve whatever we aim for. And most importantly, I had people like you all have, the parents, the teachers, your mentors, your family who believe in you before you believe in yourself. I think they are your support system, which you should find and you should trust in them. To all the students here, I want to say this. You do not have to be extraordinary to begin, but you become extraordinary when you keep trying. So when you choose effort over excuses and when you decide to improve just a little bit, but every single day. This school, your teachers, and your parents are giving you the most important foundation that you need in your lives. Trust me, the school, the family are your most important foundation to start anything in your life. So I believe that this is what you find the most important thing, and the ability to think, the courage to question, the opportunity to grow is all because of the foundation that you have in the school and within your family. So make use of it, respect it, and remember that knowledge is not measured by marks alone. It is measured by how you treat others, how you handle failure, and how you rise after failing. We live in a time where competition is high. There are many distractions in your life where you feel that there's pressure, there's stress. But let me tell you something from my experience. The moment you start enjoying learning for its own sake, half the stress disappears from your life. So when you study not just to get marks, but to understand the relevance or to understand or go into the depth of any concept on any topic, when you participate, not just to win, but to explore the opportunities that come within the participation, you begin to discover your capabilities, the energy within you. To the teachers of this wonderful institution, I want to express my heartfelt respect to all of you. You shape not just the intellect, but also values. You influence not just careers, but characters. Your impact is immeasurable. Many years later, students might forget these maths formulas or science formulas, but they'll definitely remember the teachers. So you all have given, and you all are a very big impact on every student that you are attached to. To the parents here, I express my heartfelt gratitude. You are the silent strength behind every child who is studying here. Your patience, your sacrifices, and your constant encouragement to your children build the confidence that children carry throughout their lives. Keep supporting your children, keep talking to them, and most importantly, keep reminding them that you love them irrespective of the marks or awards that they get. And to my young friends in the audience and all the students of this school, don't limit yourself based on what others expect from you. Set your own goals, take your own decisions, and yes, it is okay to fail. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of success. So remember that our society needs you, and this is what our country needs from you. As SDM Ajmer, I see the future of this district in all of you, in your thoughts, your creativity, your discipline, and your values. And I feel hopeful and I feel proud of all of you because I see in you the potential to build a better tomorrow. Let today's celebration remind us that education is a journey full of learnings, full of challenges, full of infinite possibilities. I wish each one of you the courage to explore, the strength to keep going, and the wisdom to stay humble no matter how you rise. Thank you so much for inviting me. I congratulate all the performers, all the achievers, the teachers, and the parents, and I wish this school even greater heights in the years ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind.